Hello everyone, I'm Avni Gupta and today I'm going to tell you how I am going to teach you English in my English classes, right? So I'll give you a demo on one topic, that is parts of speech. It is not a one topic, it's a blend of so many topics, the 8 parts of speech that we have in grammar, and it is the most important part in grammar because each word in a sentence, each word in a paragraph belongs to this part of speech, and this is what you have to learn in detail so that you can identify each word, which part of speech does it belong to, and you can learn it practically. I'm not going to teach you definitions with examples, no. So I'm just going to show how I'm going to teach you, right? So let's start. So I've written few lines here. One day we will see off our kids in school van. We are facing one of the toughest times, but it's just a phase. Think positive, right? So it's just a phase, it will pass. We will overcome with this pandemic situation, of course, and we have to be positive and we should spread positivity around. Okay, so let's start analyzing these words with parts of speech. Okay, so the first word I've written here is one. What is a one? It's simply a number, right? And number belongs to adjective. Okay, adjectives, they tells us quality, numbers, quantity, right? So one is adjective. Okay, now what is day? Day is a noun. Okay, what is we? We people, right? We are using it instead of a noun. Okay, so we becomes pronoun. Okay, I'm writing in short here. What is will? Will is a verb. It's a helping verb. In helping verbs, we have two different categories: primary helping verb and auxiliaries. That is modal. Okay, so will is helping verb. It is also modal. Okay, so I'll write a verb here in bracket. I'll write it as modal. Okay, then see off. What is see off? Bye bye. See off. Okay, it's a phrasal. It's a verb phrase. Okay, or phrasal verb. Okay, see off. See off means to say bye bye. Okay, so it's a verb phrase. Okay, this see off. It's a verb phrase. Right? Then are. What is are? Are pronoun. Okay. It's a pronoun. Kids. Now what is kids? Name, place, animal, thing, person, right? Kids. They are kids. Okay, human. So kids. Kids means noun. Okay. In. What is in? Okay, it is helping you to establish the relationship of noun with other part of a sentence. Okay, so in is a preposition. Okay, in is a preposition. I'll just write school. School is a place where our kids go, right? So school is a place. It's a noun. Again, what is a van? It's a vehicle. So again, it's a noun. Okay. And here we have a full stop, that is also known as period. Okay. After every sentence, it is mandatory to use a full stop. Okay. Then let's start with our next sentence. Now next sentence will begin with capital letter. Please remember we. Again, we is a pronoun as we have already discussed. Are. What is are? Is, am, are. They all are your helping verbs. Okay. They are primary helping verbs. So are is, okay, I write primary helping verb. Okay, I am using short form HV for helping verb. Then facing. Facing. What is facing? ING. If you find ING with any word, it is a verb. Okay, always remember that. So facing. To face. Okay, facing is a verb. Okay, it's an action verb, main verb. Then one. Again, one is an adjective we have discussed. It's a number. Okay. Now one off. What is off? Off is again a preposition. Okay, it is establishing relationship between two parts in a sentence. So of is a preposition. Okay. The. Okay, what is the? The is a definite article. Okay. It's it's an article, definite article. Okay. Now we all are going to discuss these in details also. Okay. Then toughest. What is toughest? Now you might have heard about degrees of adjective. Tough, tougher, toughest. Toughest means most difficult, right? So toughest, how I know it's an adjective? Because I'm using est. So with the help of suffix we can identify which part of his speech it is, right? Tough, tougher, toughest. So this we can use only if we are having degrees of adjective. So with adjectives only we can change the degrees, right? So this is my adjective and this is superlative degree. Okay, so it is adjective. Then we have times. Now what is a times? It's a toughest times. Okay, so it's a noun. Okay. Now, but. What is but? But means contradictory. Okay, but. But is a conjunction. The words like and, or, but, because they are conjunctions. Okay, so but is a conjunction. It's, again it's a pronoun. Okay. Okay, it's a pronoun. It's just a phase. Okay. Now what is just? Just is adjective. Okay, it is, telling us about a noun phase, that it's just a phase, it's just a bad time that is going to pass very soon, right? So just is adjective here. Now this just is also an adverb, okay, but how we will see later, right? One word can be your adjective also, adverb also, right? This we will learn through practice, okay? Then what is it's an article, right? It's an indefinite article. Okay, then what is phase? Phase is again noun. Phase is like times, okay? Phase is again noun. Okay. Then think positive, right? What is think? Think is a verb, okay? And what is positive? Positive is an adjective. It's a quality, right? For example, I can say, I'm a very positive girl. So positive is my quality, right? It's a nature, right? So it's an adjective. And if I add the suffix ity, positivity, right? I can spread positivity around. We should spread positivity. So positivity becomes abstract noun. So this is how we are going to learn English with practical knowledge, right? With practice, with lot of practice, we can master grammar, right? But just by learning definition and examples, it is very difficult to remember. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please share and join my classes soon.